Patent development technology. We are the first company to invent CNC mortiser machine in China. 5 pieces of cutter shafts in a single row. Portable touchscreen and hand wheel. Taiwan host brand control system. Taiwan host brand servo driver. 海普蒙特 brand frequency converter. Highwind brand guide rail. Stable oil system. Feeding frame. Drag chain. Reasonable circuit set. Easy on using, fast debugging. Stable and efficient on operation. Precise and fast in mortising. Able to choose different type of mortising shape. Equipped with 2 processing area on both the left and right side. Can process longer wooden parts. The maximum processing length is 4.4 meters. Able to save 2000 groups of product date. For mortising, the straight groove, linear groove, arc groove, square groove, drilling hole, hole enlarging, etc. Straight groove, linear groove, arc groove, S-shape groove, square groove, drilling hole, hole enlarging, square hole and angle chisel. Suitable for the dining chair solution, bed and cabinet solution. Multiple function needs with different models to choice.